In this video, we're going to show you how to join multiple lines into a single polyline in AutoCAD. Combining separate lines into a single polyline is a useful technique that can make your drawings easier to edit and manage. Instead of working with multiple individual line segments, a polyline allows you to treat connected objects as a single entity. This can be especially helpful when creating boundaries, preparing drawings for hatching, or making future modifications to your design. If you've ever selected what looked like one object only to discover it was actually made up of several separate lines, this tutorial is for you. Using polylines can also improve productivity because many AutoCAD commands work more efficiently with a single object. Tasks such as offsetting, editing, measuring, and modifying shapes become much easier when your geometry is organized properly. The good news is that AutoCAD provides a simple way to combine multiple lines into a single polyline in just a few steps. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly join your lines and make your drawings cleaner and more efficient. So, let's get started. The first method is to use the pedit command. Type pedit into the command line and press Enter. Select one of the lines you want to include in the polyline. If AutoCAD asks whether you want to turn the line into a polyline, select Yes. Next, choose the Join option and select the remaining connected lines. Press Enter and AutoCAD will combine the selected lines into a single polyline. If the lines do not join, zoom in and check for small gaps between the endpoints. You can use the Extend command or move the lines slightly so they connect properly before trying again. In most cases, this method is all you need. Once the lines have been joined successfully, click on the new object to verify that AutoCAD treats it as a single polyline rather than multiple individual lines. This is a quick way to confirm that the operation was completed successfully. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, use the pedit command and convert one of the lines into a polyline. Second, use the Join option to select the remaining connected lines and combine them into a single object. If the lines don't join immediately, inspect the endpoints and make sure there are no gaps between them. Also remember that connected geometry is important when using the Join feature. Even a very small gap can prevent AutoCAD from creating a single polyline, so zooming in and checking your drawing carefully can save time during troubleshooting. Working with a single polyline can make editing, trimming, offsetting, and creating boundaries much easier later on. It also helps keep your drawing organized and reduces the chance of selecting the wrong object during future edits. Taking a few moments to convert related lines into a polyline can save a lot of time when working on larger or more complex projects. It's a simple step that can make your AutoCAD workflow more efficient and easier to manage. And that's how to join multiple lines into a single polyline in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We always appreciate your suggestions and feedback. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.